30 plants in only 2 feet of room is possible. Yes, you undoubtedly can. I'm about to demonstrate how to transform any little area into a rich, living vertical garden, whether you possess is a little balcony or a simple apartment wall. Not for a garden? None at all. Welcome to the enchantment of vertical gardening. So here's the catch. I used to reside on the 8th floor in a 400 square foot condo. No garden, certainly no large window, no backyard. Walking past farmers' markets rolling over fresh herbs and veggies, I daydream. One day, I would want to have to grow my own vegetables. But one day arrived quicker than I imagined because I found this brilliant idea. Vertical gardening for small space. Believe me, once I built my first little vertical garden, I was hooked. All hanging just outside my balcony were basil, mint, cherry, tomatoes, and even a little bell pepper plant. That's correct. I created a little balcony vertical garden, which transformed my house atmosphere as well as my daily diet. What location are you considering transforming into a vertical garden? Drop a comment below. I want to hear about your future little garden. Then, what exactly is vertical gardening? In action, it's gardening up instead of out. Consider hanging pockets, stacked planters, shelves, or even homemade ladders. People with little space like balconies, patios, or even interior corners will find it ideal. Whether you call it a little indoor vertical garden or a mini garden vertical arrangement, the idea is straightforward. Use vertical area to cultivate flowers, herbs, and even vegetables. Visualize this in your environment right now. It is lovely, practical, and most of all, saves you money on food. Regarding selecting plants, you have choices, and I mean many of them. Go for a little hanging herb garden if herbs are your thing. In vertical planters, basil, rosemary, and mint flourish. For vegetables, consider cherry tomatoes, lettuce, garlic, or chili peppers, all great for a little vertical planter. And if you simply seek the aesthetics, ferns, succulent looks really well inside. Super beginner friendly are these plants, whether you're creating a vertical garden in a small balcony or setting up small indoor vertical garden. Tell me in the comments what your dream plant to cultivate. Is it strawberry? Snake plant? Let's compile your vertical garden with your wish list. Okay, now comes with the interesting bit. How to make your own vertical garden. There is neither expensive equipment nor a large bucket needed. Start with this. A vertical planter or shelves or even a shoe organizer. Yes, really. Great potting media, drainage pans or cloth growth bags. Lightweight containers. Go with lightweight plastics or coconut fiber planters if you're designing a little hanging gardens. Stack planters on a stand or hang them from railings for a little balcony vertical garden. Whether is it indoors, outdoor, your little vertical garden might be created using a wall grid, a spice rack, or even a tier shelf. Tip 1. Always check that your plants have adequate illuminations. Ideal are south-facing windows or balconies. Tip 2. Water from the top down. Gravity helps to maintain moisture. Tip 3. starts with herbs. They are very gratifying and forgiving. You will never turn back once you start vertical vegetable gardening in confined areas. Picking your own food from a wall of vegetation is just amazing. Share your experience in the comments. Have you ever tried vertical gardening? What has worked or not worked for you? Let us literally assist each other to grow. The reality is, growing something lovely does not require a large backyard. All you need is some imagination and maybe a few pots. Transform your balcony, your attitude, and even your cuisine with a little vertical garden. Your green time trip begins now. Be it a tiny hanging herbs garden by your kitchen or a mini vertical garden. So go on, pick a spot, get planting, and let nature climb the walls. If this motivates you, please like, subscribe, and pass it on to a friend who claims, I wish I could garden, but I have no room. Since you now know space is insignificant, vision makes it. Hit that bell, and I'll see you next time for more green hacks, balcony makeover, and all things vertical garden magic. Thank you.